Close your eyes, tell me are you fine? Please don't cry, babe. Can we try just one more time? Close your eyes, tell me are you...
Hi guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing good. So I have been obsessed with the idea of fall. I grew up watching a lot of old school YouTube, so I love the coziness that it brings. I love the movies that you can watch. I love everything about fall. Having said that, I've never really experienced fall. I live in UAE. There are barely any trees here, let alone the idea of fall. So I thought I cannot go out there and experience fall, but I can always bring it in here. That's exactly what I'm going to do in the video series that I have planned for you guys for the month of October. Every video that I'll post will be fall related. So cozy up, get a cup of coffee and enjoy my videos. So guys, the bedding is done. I think it looks pretty cute.
Can we try just one more time?
This is my fall mood board. It was really easy to make. I just printed a bunch of pictures from Pinterest and the result turned out really good.
Can we try just one more time? Close your eyes, tell me are you fine?
This is the remaining decor that we're dealing with. I've got two of my favorite candles from Bath & Body Works when it comes to their fall collection. This is in Autumn Woods and this is in the scent Leaves. They smell really good. And there are a few of my candles that I made. So I've made these 3 pumpkin candles. Some other candles are there. Oh, this is a candle burner which I feel is really cute. And yeah, just a fairy light in autumn leaves. So another thing that I'd like to show you guys is this toy. It's from McDonald's, from their 1998 collection. At that time, McDonald's was just in Mumbai, and this is not my toy. This is my cousin's toy. Story time. I was obsessed with this toy. You'll see why. Because right now you see it's a witch, and just when you flip it over, it becomes a monster. And I was just fascinated by it. But he would never let me play with it. So I used to be like really angry at him, and I would try and throw tantrum like just let me play with it, but he wouldn't let me play with it. Let alone play, I think I was not even allowed to touch it. Fast forward to the day when I was leaving India, he came to say goodbye and he came with this toy. And I've kept it ever since. It's just like a token of our friendship. It goes way long back. So yeah, so I'll be placing this toy because it's very apt for the season, somewhere around here. So the room is finally done and it looks pretty good. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and yeah, I'll just show you guys now. It's almost 10 PM now and I've just finished watching Hocus Pocus. Comment down below what are your favorite movies that you watched during the fall season. As for me, I'm going to end the vlog here now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
All these attractions I know are distractions.